Today we're showing you a 2014 Kubota M7040 SU tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor with a Kubota LA 1153 quick attach front loader on it. Tractor is in nice shape. It has approximately 1150 hours on it. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so has none of the DPF, DEF, none of that stuff is on this tractor. It does have a canopy top, again approximately 1150 hours. I believe these tractors are rated at 68 horsepower. It does have the stabilizer bars on each side, 540 PTO. Top link is here. It does have the dual rear remotes. A little bit of damage here in the fender, or I should say scratches here in the fender. Back tires are good. It does have the cast centers to give you extra weight. And the front tires, we put new radial tires up front here, so those are brand new. It does have the hydraulic shuttle, so it will shift forward to reverse without clutching. As the 8-speed transmission, you have high-low range down here, 4 gears and the larger lever, and then your loader control, hydraulic controls, PTO, and 3-point to the right. The hood does have a little bit of scratches as well, which we'll show you here. And over there to the top of the hood on the right there, you got a little bit of scratch as well. But overall, a nice, clean, good running tractor. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have questions regarding this unit, please feel free to contact us. Again, we do offer trucking and financing. We can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping here anywhere here within the US. We also take trades. If you have a trade-in, we can work off of pictures by text or email. So if you have questions or we can help you, please contact us.